Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza. Welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass, all about architectural glass in its various forms. Today I've got a little experiment and I haven't pre-done this, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. I want to see how far we can push the boundaries with cutting internal angles out of glass. So this is float glass, 3mm float glass. I'm not using any of my art glass, just because it all varies so much, you know, it all cuts in very different ways. So I'm going to see how deep I can get into a right angle before it all goes horribly wrong. Right, so just following the line. I'm not worrying too much about which side of the line I'm going. Okay, no problem. Let's try this one now. See how that goes. You will also note that I'm not doing the nibbly thing because I'm really trying to test the glass as is without giving myself any help. So let's see how this one goes. Well, that's very nice. Now this is pretty much a right angle. So what do we reckon? Is this going to be horrendously bad when I try and break it? Yay! Sophie D'Souza, Glass Witch. I'm really pleased with that. Because, I mean, you wouldn't necessarily want to design something that way. Because when you let it up, this is going to be under strain. But yeah, that's pretty impressive actually. I might just see if I can push it a bit further. See how we get on with this one. Right, I might try with some grozers just to ease it. You hear that tick? I'll do a bit more banging. Amazing. Look, an impossible piece of glass. I'm going to stop now, or shall I carry on? Should I keep going till it just all breaks and shatters? So, should we try that? It's mad, isn't it? Now, we know that if we were cutting this out of something bumpy or even cathedral, it wouldn't be as kind to us because, you know, some glass is quite tricky to cut. So float, very consistent to cut. See how this goes. Ah, there it is. And that's when it's broken. But we got a long way into it, didn't we? We're pretty impressed with that. So, I don't know. I just thought that would be quite interesting. Now we know. So, hope that was interesting to you. It was quite interesting to me. You really can push the bounds a bit. Obviously, if you tried to do this with a piece of art glass and it was an awkward shape and it was your last piece of glass, you know it would break. there is just a universal law which says if it's your last piece of glass, you're going to spoil it. And like I mentioned, you wouldn't necessarily want to design anything like this, but it's good to know. It's good to know that it is possible to cut tricky shapes. So, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.